So for today's lessons, we are talking about the types of service, and we will review the point, rally, game, and a match. And we will also have a brief discussion on how the match is started with a toss, the choice of service or the court or the table, and the change of service and change of court. Okay, so let us begin. So first, in table tennis, during service, the ball must first bounce on the server's table, then cross the net and bounce on the opponent's table. Okay, that is during service. If you are the server, you let the ball bounce in your table first, then cross the net, then the ball must bounce in your opponent's table. Now, there are two types of service. First, forehand service, okay, and then backhand service. Okay, so don't forget these two types of service. Again, forehand and backhand service. Now, let us review. What is a point? A point is awarded to the team who wins the rally. Okay, and what is a rally? A rally is the sequence of playing actions from the moment of the service hit by the server until the ball is out of play. Or simply, a rally is the period when the ball is being played. The ball becomes out of play when an error occurs and is called by the officials. Okay, so let us watch this video so you will have understand what a rally is. Okay, now what is the order of play in table tennis? First, service, followed by a return of the receiver, and then rally. Okay. Now, in table tennis, change service every 2 points. Okay. Don't forget that you change service every 2 points. Now, how many points per game? It's 11 points per game. And how many games per match? Okay, there are 5 games in a match. Okay, now for you to get the match, a player must have 3 wins. Okay, it's either 3 wins in a row. Okay, like for example, from game 1 to 3. Okay, or it can be in let's say player A got 2 wins straight from game 1 and 2, then game 3 and 4 by uh, the player B. Okay, so that is 2 wins for player A and 2 wins for player B. Okay, so since that is 2-2, the match is not yet over, then you have to continue the game on the 5th game or the decision game for you to have, or a player can have 3 wins, okay, in a match. Now, so before you start the match or the game, you have to start with the toss coin or play for serve. Okay. Now, what is a game? Okay. A game is composed of 11 points. Okay. And a game is won by the team which first score 11 points with a minimum lead of 2 points. Okay. Now, in case of a tie at 10, the which means that both teams have a score of 10, and the play is continued until a 2-point lead is achieved by the player. Okay, in the next slides, I am going to show you the scores of both players, and you try to analyze which team or which player wins the game. Okay, now, So in this slide, who won the game? Is it, let's say the players are ping and pong, okay? Now, so who won the game here? Is it ping or pong? Yes, it's pong. Okay, so pong got the first game, okay? Or obviously it is the pong when the pong with a score of 11 points, okay? Now, so that is uh, one win for pong. Now, what about this one? Who won the game? Is it ping or pong? Yes, you are right. Still, pong got the game too, or won the second game. So what is the score? How many wins for pong now? It's 2 wins for pong and 0 for ping. Okay, now game 3. Who won the game now in game 3? Is it ping or pong? Yes, it's ping now on the third game. So for the number of wins, 2 wins for pong and 1 win for ping. Okay, now in this case, let's say on game 3. Okay, game 3, let's say pong won the game 3. So is it over? Is the match over? If pong won the game 3? Yes, because pong got 3 wins in a row. Okay, then if pong got 3 wins in a row, then meaning you don't need to a player don't need to continue the match. Okay, and that is up to third game only, since pong got 3 wins in a row. Okay, but here on game 4, who won the game? Let's say game 4. Okay, still ping. Okay, so ping got 11 points and pong 9 points. So how many wins for ping and pong? So 2 wins for pong and 2 wins for ping. Okay, so it's a tie, right? So if there is a tie on the 2-2 score, then you have to continue up to the decision game, which is the fifth game or the game 5. Okay, and that is the decision game. And do not forget that when you reach the game 5, then you have to do the toss coin again. Okay, so now what about this one? Is the game over? No, okay. It's not yet over. Okay, nobody has won yet, since their score is a tie at 10-10, and they have to continue playing until one of the player had a score that is with a 2-point lead. Okay, now, so yes, 2-2. It's not yet over. So still game 5. Okay, don't forget that during the decision game, when the score reached 10-10, you have to change service every point. From 1 to 10, or usually change service every 2 points, okay? But in case there is a tie on the score 10-10, then you have to change service every point, and that is from the score 10-10. Okay, now what about this one? Is it over? Not yet, okay, because you have to wait until the point is or is it is a advantage of 2 points. Okay, so 11-10, so it's not yet over, so let's continue. Okay, now yes, change service every point, change service again. Now what about this one? Is it over? Yes, okay. So because the ping is advantage of 2 points from Pong. Okay, so ping got 12 points and Pong got 10 points. So who won the match? From game 1 to 5, it's Ping. So Ping won the match for this tournament. Okay, now, okay, so what is a match? Okay, a match is composed of 5 games. Okay, and and a match is won by the player which first wins 3 games. Okay, and here sets or game 1 to 4 are composed of 11 points, and also the game 5, which is the decision game, or all 11 points from game 1 to 5. Okay, now in case of a tie at 2-2, the deciding team, okay, or the deciding fifth game is played to 11 points with a minimum lead of 2 points. Okay, now, so again, before you start the match, you have to start with the toss coin. Okay, so with the toss, start with the toss coin for so that a player can choose whether to serve or the court or the side of the table. Okay, so again, if let's say the players ping and pong, okay, the lady on my left side, that is ping, then on the right side, that is pong. Okay, so again, after the toss, a player who won the toss coin can choose whether to serve or to receive or the side of the table. Okay, so now let's have an example. So here in this table, let's say game 1. Let's say during the toss coin, Ping won the toss coin. Okay, and Ping choose to serve first. Okay, so if Ping choose to serve first, okay, then Pong will choose on what side of the court. Now Pong choose the right court, okay, or right table. So this is the diagram on game 1. Okay, again, during the toss coin, Ping won the toss coin. And since Ping won the toss coin, then she has the priority to choose to serve or to receive or the side of the court. So on this game, Ping choose to serve first. Okay, now on game 2. So in game 2, you have to change court. Okay, so if on game 1, Pong is on the right side of the table, okay, or the court, then on game 2, Pong will be on the left side of the court and Ping on the right side of the table. Okay, so you do this up to the fourth game. Okay, that is change court every game. Okay, so in game 3, again, game 3, change court again. So a while ago in game 2, Ping is on the right side. Now game 3, Ping is on the left side. Then Pong is on the right side. Okay, then game 4. Okay, so change court again. So this time, Pong is on the left side. Then Ping is on the right side. Okay, so again, you change court every game. Okay, now, so during the decision game or the game 5, okay, so again, toss coin again. Okay, then you choose, let's say Ping choose to receive or the court, and Ping choose on the left side of the court, and Pong is the server and will serve on the right side of the court. Okay, then on the fifth game, change court again. Why? To give equal chances to the players. Okay, so here, Pong is on the left side, then Ping is on the right side. Okay, so this is during the decision game. Don't forget to change court when the score reach 5 points. Okay?
Ball control number 2, walling forehand. First, you serve and let the ball bounce against the wall, and you do this for 10 times.
Okay, so that is the walling forehand. And again, you have to uh, grip the racket properly. Okay, now next,
Ball control number 2,
ball control number 2, walling backhand.
walling backhand. Again, you serve first, then let the ball bounce against the wall, and for 10 times.
So you let the ball bounce against the wall, then in your table, then wall again, then table, wall, table. Okay, and that is for 10 bounces. So again, this is backhand walling. Okay, now for the combination of forehand and backhand. Wait, what happened here?
Combination volley, forehand and backhand. So you do this alternately for 10 times.
So again, for combination, you do it alternately with your forehand and backhand, then for 10 bounces. Okay?